Good morning traders, David here from Daily Forecast. It is Tuesday the 21st of March 2023 and we're here to do an update for Brent and for Crude, Bitcoin and Euro. In front of us we've got Brent oil on the daily chart. You can see we're still waiting for a B low to form. That's why we've got a question mark there. Yesterday price went all the way down and actually gave us a new low, so we need 2 more days at least to wait before we have a B low in place. We're not going to be drawing our fibs on here because we still have to wait for that official B low to form. Our A high is up there. We are in a bearish AB swing. We remain bearish until the A high gets violated on a sustained basis. The 4-hour chart, a bit different to the daily chart in that we did have, there's our A high, our B low, so we had a bearish AB swing, we have a bearish AB swing, but you can see that price has taken out the B low, so we've got some housekeeping to do here. So this here becomes our new A, okay, and we've got a B low in place already. So that's our new AB swing. I can move this one to the side or delete it. I can delete that one, and there's our current AB swing that we're working with on the 4-hour chart. You can see price came to the 618. Let's see today if we do get a test of that 618, okay, followed by another clear bearish candlestick formation on the smaller time frame, and then we will look for a short entry. The 1-hour chart, got some housekeeping to do on the 1-hour chart as well. That was our AB swing of yesterday. Okay, so price took out the B low, so we've got a new A high and a new B low in place. This happens to be the same swing that we have on the 4-hour chart. Yesterday we were saying that this could most likely also potentially be a B failure trade, and we were going to wait for a test of that followed by another bullish candlestick formation. You can see there wasn't anything bullish anywhere here, so it was a clear fall, and we've got a new AB swing in play. That was one of the possible scenarios we were looking out for yesterday. That did not materialize, so we said if the price does take out the B low, then it will give us a new AB swing, which is what we have now. And you can see here that your price came up to the 618, fell back during the Asian session. I'm still looking for a bit of a test. If I got into the 5-minute chart, I'd like price to come around the 73.50 area before I'm looking for a short entry opportunity. If price carries on down, then I'll wait for another test during the US session maybe. Okay, but we are looking for shorts from current levels, or the current scenario that we have. We're looking for shorts. Sorry, I shouldn't say from current levels, from higher levels within this little swing that we have here. I'd prefer it if we come to the area of around 73.50. If not, I'll wait for another pullback later in the day and see if it does materialize. Crude oil, 4-hour chart. You can see that must just back up a little more. There's our current AB swing, A high, B low, and you can see price came and took out the B low as well. So we've got some housekeeping to do on this time frame as well. So here's our new A high. This is our new A high, and this here is our new B low. And if we pull our fibs, you can see that price came to the 618 of this swing as well. Okay, so let's see if we get a test of this as well, and then followed by another clear bearish candlestick formation for a short entry. The 1-hour chart. The 1-hour chart also, yesterday we said that we could have had a potential B failure trade here, and we were also waiting for the test of it followed by another clear bearish candlestick formation. You can see there was nothing bearish, only once the B low was broken on a sustained basis, which negated a long entry anyway. There's our B low, and if we pull our fibs on this time frame as well, you'll see that that's where we are right now. So that's our current AB swing. That's our current AB swing on crude oil on the 1-hour chart. Okay, we are at the price has reached the 618. but in a case like this, we'll also wait for the test of that 618. You can step down to a 5-minute chart. Yesterday we were saying that if we get a bounce and a test, and you can see we never ever got a bounce and a test for yesterday's entry. Price just carried on falling down. So here, let me just look for that high. There's the high. So I would prefer price coming up to 67.60, okay, in that area or higher, to test these highs before I'd be looking for a short entry. Alternatively, I'll then wait for the US session and see if I get that set up during the US session. But shorts we are looking for. Euro on the daily chart, we're still in an uptrend. There's our A low and our B high, and you can see price tested not once, not twice, but 3 times we tested this support area over here. Like I said, we need this high at 759. We need to break this high to open the upside. And on this particular chart, we're looking for price to exhaust itself in the area of the B high. Okay. The 4-hour chart, you can see that we're in a bullish AB swing. There's our A low, there's our B high, and you can see without even drawing the fibs that price came and found support at the A support low. We're now in the B failure 786 area. Okay, if we do get a clear bearish candlestick formation at this from these levels while inside this B high, then we will look for short entry opportunities and go counter this AB swing, because a B failure 786 with a prior A low bounce leads us to believe we're going to take out the A low. Okay, but we don't have that yet. Once that, if that presents itself, then that will be the trading scenario for this time frame. The 1-hour chart, you can see that we're in a bearish AB swing on the 1-hour chart already, and you can see that price is finding resistance at the 86 level. Let's see today if we do get a test of these highs here up at 730. If we do and you get another clear bearish candlestick formation, we'll step down to the 5-minute chart, look for a fall followed by another test and a clear bearish candlestick formation to go short. If that doesn't happen and price rallies all the way up and takes out the A high, then we've got continuation of the uptrend. Okay, so those are the scenarios for the euro today. Bitcoin, we're still waiting for the BI to form on the daily chart. There's our A support low, there's our B high. Yesterday we had a doji candle. Let's see if price does pull back. We need another trading day besides today if this high holds at 28,532 before we have a B high in place and before we can draw fibs. Just to draw your attention to the original AB swing, there's our A low, there's our B high. You can see price didn't even reach the 382 in this instance, and we said that because price hasn't reached the 382, it might be an aggressive rally, and we're looking for that rally to exhaust itself at 29,724. The highest we came was 28,532. So we might even find exhaustion up at the 1618. But having said that, we'll wait for, on the current AB swing, we will wait for the B high to form, and then we'll pull our fibs on that one. Okay, traders, that's the analysis for today. Let's see if we do find something on Brent oil and on crude oil and on the euro actually. So there's 3 pairs that you might be able to potentially find something on, and let's see if we do reach our targets for this week as well. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification. We do forecasts and updates every morning, and we'll see you in the morning. Thanks. Bye.